In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix problem that your Mac heats up. So if you touch it, you can just, it's really hot. So how can we fix it? The only one way I found it to fix it without any changing in the settings, all you need is just to make air come under your Mac, so like this. So now it will be like it will becomes colder a little bit faster. So to use this trick, you just need to book or something like this. You can use the caps. So just move your book like this, and then just take your Mac, keep it up, and then just put it on your book right up here. So now, as you can see, we have the ability to move our air under MacBook. So basically it will become colder much faster. So this is a way how you can fix the problem that your Mac heats up. I hope, guys, this tutorial was helpful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write your comment. Goodbye.